Welcome to the ninth part of our Microsoft Word tutorial series. In this installment, we will delve into essential features and tools designed to elevate the quality and professionalism of your documents. We'll explore topics that include proofreading and language tools, such as the spelling and grammar checker, the Thesaurus, and word count, which can enhance the accuracy, clarity, and overall presentation of your written content. Additionally, we will revisit the critical aspect of creating mail-merge documents, a powerful feature within Microsoft Word that allows you to craft personalized letters and communications for a wide range of recipients. Let's begin by sharpening your document writing skills and perfecting the art of mail merge. Creating a mail merge document with fields in Microsoft Word. Mail merge is a powerful feature in Microsoft Word that allows you to create personalized documents, such as letters or labels, for a large number of recipients. In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to write and insert fields using the Mailings tab, including highlighting merge fields, adding an address block, greeting line, and inserting merge fields. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Step 2. Create a new document. You can create a new document or open an existing one to start your mail merge. Step 3. Navigate to the Mailings tab. Go to the Mailings tab in the ribbon at the top of your Word document. This tab contains all the tools and options you need for mail merge. Step 4. Select Start Mail Merge. In the Mailings tab, click on Start Mail Merge. This will open a drop-down menu with various mail merge options. For this tutorial, we'll use letters as an example. Step 5. Select Recipients. Click on Select Recipients in the Mailings tab. You can choose to use an existing list from your contacts or create a new list. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Step 6. Write your letter or document. Now, you can start writing your letter or document. Make sure to leave placeholders for the information you want to personalize, such as the recipient's name, address, and a greeting. Step 7. Insert merge fields. Wherever you want to insert a merge field, place your cursor in the document where you'd like the information to appear. For example, if you want to insert the recipient's first name, click where you want it to go. Step 8. Highlight merge fields. To insert a merge field, go to the Mailings tab and click on Insert Merge Field. A list of available fields will appear. Select the field you want to insert, such as first name or last name. Step 9. Insert Address Block. If you want to add an address block, a block of address fields, in your document, go to the Mailings tab and click Address Block. A dialog box will open, allowing you to customize the format and details of the address block. Step 10. Insert Greeting Line. To insert a greeting line, e.g., Dear, first name, click Greeting Line in the Mailings tab. Customize the greeting according to your preferences and recipient information. Step 11. Preview the results. After inserting your merge fields, it's a good idea to preview the results to ensure everything looks correct. Click Preview Results in the Mailings tab, and you can scroll through the document to see how it will appear for each recipient. Step 12. Complete the merge. When you are satisfied with the preview, click Finish and Merge in the Mailings tab. You can choose to either print the documents directly or create a new document with the merged information. Step 13. Save or print. After completing the merge, you can save the merged document or print it, depending on your needs. That's it. You successfully created a mail merge document in Microsoft Word, including inserting merge fields, an address block, and a greeting line. This process allows you to personalize documents for multiple recipients efficiently. In Microsoft Word, you can use various proofreading and language tools to enhance the quality of your documents. Here's how to use the spelling and grammar checker, the Thesaurus, and word count. Spelling and grammar checker. Open your document in Microsoft Word. To check the spelling and grammar, click on the Review tab in the ribbon at the top. In the Proofing group, you'll find the Spelling and Grammar button. Click it to start the checking process. The spelling and grammar pane will appear on the right side of your document. It will highlight potential spelling and grammar errors and provide suggestions. Click on the suggested corrections to apply them, or choose to ignore suggestions if they are not relevant. When Word finishes checking your document, you will see a message indicating that the spell check is complete. You can then close the spelling and grammar pane. Thesaurus. Select the word you want to find synonyms for in your document. Right-click on the selected word. A context menu will appear. In the context menu, you'll see the Synonyms option. Hover over it to reveal a list of synonyms for the selected word. Click on the synonym you want to use, and Word will replace the selected word with your chosen synonym. Word count. To find the word count in your document, you can go to the Review tab in the ribbon. In the Proofing group, you will find a word count button. Click on it. A word count dialog box will appear, displaying the number of pages, words, characters, and other relevant information in your document. You can also check the Include Footnotes and Endnotes option if you want to count the words within footnotes and endnotes. Once you're done reviewing the word count, you can close the word count dialog box. These tools are invaluable for ensuring that your documents are free of spelling and grammar errors, finding synonyms to improve your writing, and keeping track of the length of your content. They help you create polished and professional documents in Microsoft Word. We hope that this tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge and tools to create more polished and effective documents in Microsoft Word. By using the spelling and grammar checker, Thesaurus, and word count features, you can ensure your content is not only error-free but also engaging and well-structured. The Mail Merge tutorial has provided you with the ability to personalize your communications for various recipients, saving time and effort. As we conclude Part 9, get ready for Part 10, where we will explore advanced formatting, style, and collaboration features in Microsoft Word. Stay tuned for an even deeper dive into the capabilities of this versatile word processing software.